Hello car lovers, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a really interesting topic, cars that have driven over 500,000 kilometers. Yes, 500,000 kilometers and still on the road. If you're looking for durability and longevity in your car, you're in the right place. First on our list is the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser. Known for its rugged build and reliability, many Land Cruisers easily surpass the 500,000 kilometers mark. These beasts don't just survive, they thrive, even in the planet's most challenging terrains. Whether it's desert sands or rocky mountains, the Land Cruiser keeps going and going. Next up, let's talk about the Honda Accord. This might surprise you, but the Accord's reputation for longevity rivals some of the toughest off-road vehicles. With regular maintenance, many owners have reported their Accords passing that magic 500,000 kilometers milestone. It's practical, reliable and affordable. A true workhorse. And who can forget the Volvo 240? This Swedish icon is built like a tank and has a legendary reputation for durability. Owners have shared stories of their Volvo 240S easily running for over 500,000 kilometers. It's a testament to Volvo's commitment to safety and longevity. Now let's move on to the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Known for its luxury, you might not think of this car as a long-distance runner, but many E-Class models have proven incredibly durable. With proper care, it's not uncommon for these cars to surpass 500,000 kilometers while still providing a comfortable and smooth ride. Last, but certainly not least, is the Subaru Outback. This versatile vehicle is built to handle everything from city streets to off-road adventures. Many Outback owners proudly report their cars passing the 500,000 kilometers mark without major issues. It's the embodiment of reliability and versatility. So there you have it, 5 incredible cars that have proven their durability by lasting over 500,000 kilometers. If you're looking for a long-lasting car, these are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to comment below about any cars you know that have gone the distance. Until next time, drive safe and keep your engines running. Hi friends, today we talked about cars that have driven over 500,000 kilometers. Now let's see how these cars achieve such longevity. The first reason is the importance of regular maintenance. Regularly changing your car's oil, filters and other essential parts can significantly extend its lifespan. The second reason is the use of high-quality spare parts. Original spare parts can help your car run longer and more efficiently. The third reason is adopting good driving habits. Avoiding high speeds and sudden braking can prolong the life of your car. By following these tips, you too can ensure your car reaches the 500,000 kilometer mark. Even more. Thank you for watching my video.